In a quaint village, where tradition is revered and ancient rivalries run deep, a tale of forbidden love unfolds. Meet Maya, a spirited young woman with eyes as bright as the morning sun, and Raj, a courageous lad with a heart as vast as the endless sky. Maya, with her basket in hand, heads towards the river, her graceful steps mirroring the tranquility of her surroundings. On the other side, Raj labors in the fields under the watchful gaze of his father, his strong frame a testament to his dedication. Across the river, their eyes meet fleetingly, sparking a connection that transcends the boundaries imposed by their feuding villages. Though their hearts yearn for each other, they know all too well the risks that come with such a forbidden love. As night falls, the moon casts its silvery glow upon the village, illuminating the clandestine meeting between Maya and Raj by the riverbank. Their whispered words carry the weight of 1,000 promises as they dare to defy the norms that bind them. But their stolen moments of happiness are fleeting, for the whispers of their secret encounters soon find their way into the ears of the villagers. Gossip spreads like wildfire, igniting fear and suspicion among those who hold fast to the rigid traditions of the past. Fearing the consequences of their actions, Maya and Raj find solace in each other's arms, seeking refuge from the storm that threatens to tear them apart. In the quiet of the night, they dream of a future where love knows no boundaries. But fate has other plans, as Maya's brother Veer stumbles upon their secret rendezvous, his eyes ablaze with fury at the betrayal he perceives. In his anger, he drags Maya away, leaving Raj alone to grapple with the harsh reality of their situation. Desperate to salvage their love amidst the rising tensions between their villages, Maya and Raj plead their case before the elders, their voices trembling with emotion as they implore them to see beyond the boundaries of tradition. And in a moment of unexpected grace, the elders are moved by the depth of Maya and Raj's love, recognizing the folly of their own prejudices. With hearts heavy with regret, they vow to put an end to the feud that has plagued their villages for generations. And so, amidst the backdrop of a village united by love, Maya and Raj stand hand in hand, their love a beacon of hope in a world torn apart by division. For in the end, it is love that knows no boundaries, transcending all obstacles in its path. And as the sun sets over the horizon, casting its golden glow upon the village below, Maya and Raj know that their love will endure, for it is